We got cardboard!
Oh, I want to be a boat! Make me a boat!
Tape selection.
Whoa!
Flex tape. Frog tape, that sounds waterproof.
Good job. What we're doing here today with our lovely team is we are building a boat to go race out in the ocean.
So the cardboard boat race is something that we do every year. We've done it for the past couple of years. I participated in last year. I was one of the rowers. It's a friendly competition, and it's something that's really good for the Leos Club. That's basically the junior version of the Lions Club. So we're trying to start kids at an early age, learning about leadership, learning about experience, opportunity. For a lot of students, it's really important to get those service hours in. So we're giving them an opportunity to do that while they're working on their teamwork skills and their leadership skills.
There's two people going to sit in this boat. They're going to go out in the water and they're going to row. They're going to go around the lake and they're not going to sink. I hope they don't sink because one of them's my kid.
Big roar?
Big roar.
Happy Lions and Leos, we're working the magic here.
We're building a boat.
We're building a cardboard boat. And lion question.
What we have here is a very great student that is great with art. She created a boat design, which was a swan. He's like really good at origami, and he designed literally like a 3D model. This member of the Leos Club came up with this cool design of a boat, which was like based off of a submarine.
There you go, get up on top.
Dale, you're Christian. Hey. All right, hands in the air. Wow.
I'm sure. You want to see. Yeah. So your button one and your legs in the other. Can you do that? You won't be able to do it.
Oh, you can't paddle like that. You're too low, right?
No, they were this low. Yeah. They were like this last time.
Yeah, no, our arms are like, no, it was higher than this.
The sides were higher up.
We could even get
Barely.
full strides.
So here we are on day 2 of our build.
Everybody that lives in Hollywood for more than a decade should participate in the boat race at least one time in their lifetime because it is hilarious. And the first time you do it, you're going to want to come back and do it again next year because it's so much fun. And I'm going to get ran over by the boat.
So, this is a cardboard boat, but I've done quite a bit of math on it. About 3 feet deep. I don't know, is it 200? About 200 and some cubic feet there. They're putting their life in my hands, and yeah, I think it's going to be a good day.
Welcome to the cardboard boat race.
Well, these are all the boats lined up in order of when they came in and registered. And they're all going to move as the boats launch over there. They're all going to move to the front of the line, and then they get to do their run. And the whole line moves. It's a whole process. It's quite a coordinated effort.
So the rules of the event are that you have to pre-build your boat ahead of time. It has to be made out of mostly cardboard and duct tape. We don't want you using any styrofoam, things like that would help it float. We want you to make this a really fun event. Part of the fun is actually sinking and seeing what people can come up with in a cardboard boat. So our different category placements for the race itself are most creative design. We also have a People's Choice Award, so that way the people here can give what they like. And sometimes it's the same, sometimes it's very different. We also have fastest vessel, whoever makes it from point A to point B in the fastest amount of time. We have best team spirit, because we know a lot of people dressed up, put on costumes, made a really big show of it. And finally, our last award is most spectacular sinking. So you don't even have to finish the race in order to get a prize today.
We got the basics. And then over here and all throughout, we have some really high-tech boats.
My boat is good, mostly. It's triple layered. Never done it before. Hope it's gonna be fun.
This boat is gonna rock and roll. We're gonna create some waves.
It's the Lions Club! Big I didn't know if it was lice or all right, good luck. Judges, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Next up, we've got boat number 65, the Big Roar from the Hollywood Lions and SBHS Videos. All right, let's see.
All right, you get ready.
Steady your vessel. Take your seat. Big Roar.
Lion down! Lion down! Lion down! What happened?
Well, the effort was there, and it was hot out. We needed to cool off. We did it.
So here we are at the final boat going in. This boat's actually gone in 3 times. So let's see what happens this time. Oh, I saw that. I saw that.